Okay, so I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to use this little formula here. So this is page 10 of your logbook or your logs and tables. And what I will do is I'll post this onto the Google Classroom so that you have a virtual copy of it. So we are going to have a little look. I didn't actually ask you to do these questions in the homework, but a couple of people tried them and a couple of people just asked if I could go through them. So that's what I'm going to do now. So this is the formula that you need, and just moving on, this came up in the first question where you had a little diagram like this, and you're given the points for each of these, the coordinates for each of these points. So you have 2, 11, and Q is 8, 5, and then P is 4, 2. So earlier on you're asked to find the slope, that was fine, but this is the one we want to look at here. This is how to find the area of the triangle. So the formula is given as a half of x1, y2 minus x2, y1. And this has to be when one of the coordinates is at 0, 0. So to get this little triangle here to 0, 0, what we have to do is we have to shift it all over. So imagine this is on the coordinate plane and we're going to do a translation. So we're going to shift everything. So to do that, you write out your points. And we think about what would we have to do to this point here to get it to 0, 0. And what we would have to do is subtract 4, that would give us 0, and subtract 2, that would give us 0 here. So if we do that to point P, we have to do the very same thing to all of the other points. So we go to 8 and we subtract 4, and then we subtract 2. So 8 minus 4 is 4, 5 minus 2 is 3, so that's going to be the next point. And then 2 minus 4 is going to give us minus 2, and 11 minus 2 is going to give us 9. So now we have a triangle that we have shifted on the coordinate plane. One of the coordinates is 0, 0, it's in the origin, so therefore we can go ahead and use our little formula up here. So I'm going to label my points, x1, y1, x2, y2, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my formula and just substitute the values in here. So x1 is 4, that's 4 multiplied by y2, which is 9, and that's minus x2, which is minus 2, multiplied by y1, which is 3. Okay, so that's going to give us half of 36 minus 2 by 3 is minus 6. So we have 36 minus minus 6, which is 36 plus 6. So we have half of 36 plus 6, half of 42, which is equal to 21 square units. So that is how you use that formula. You just have to do a translation on the triangle if one of the points isn't in the origin, and usually one of the points is not going to be on the origin. So hopefully that's helpful, guys.